Hi, this is exercise 17 and the subject is C programs. In this exercise, you will write your first C program. It is not the purpose of this course to teach you the details of the C language. It is probably more difficult to learn C than Java, but simple C programs may be easy to write and to understand. For example, have a look at this C program. Line 1. Hash symbol include less than stdio.h greater than. Line 1 states that your program needs the standard I/O library since it writes something. Line 2 slash asterisk. This is my first C program, asterisk slash. Line 2 is a comment. Line 3, main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. In line 3, you see the heading of a function called main. All C programs start their execution with a function called main. The next lines, from line 4 to line 6, contain the body of the function main, which is enclosed within the two curly brackets, open brackets and closed brackets. You should recognize in the C program something familiar. Function main invokes two more functions, printf and exit. They are quite similar to the bash functions having the same name. If needed, recall printf and exit from exercise 12. Now, edit with Pico a file called myfile.c containing the C program which we have seen so far. The file must be translated by a C compiler. Our C compiler is called GCC. GCC is executed typing in the terminal gcc myfile.c. Compilation should terminate without giving you errors. A warning is acceptable. If there are errors, check carefully the above syntax, especially the presence of semicolons. Edit the file, removing the errors, and compile it again. Once compilation is successful, type in the terminal ls-l. You will find a new file called a.out, which has execute permissions. File a.out contains the machine code prepared by the C compiler as translation of your C program. This machine code is in binary form. That is, if you try to show its content on the terminal, for example with cat or more, you will see garbage. The C compiler creates files with the execute permission. On the other hand, we set permissions of scripts explicitly with the command chmod. Can you find a reason for the different behavior between GCC and Pico? Now, execute the file a.out, typing in the terminal /a.out. Did it work? Hopefully yes. Anytime you compile a C program, file a.out is rewritten. If you wish to keep an executable file, you can change its name with command mv, or better, instruct the C compiler to give a different name to the executable file, with option -o, meaning output. Type in the terminal gcc -o myfile.c. Then check with ls-l that the new file myfile exists and that it has execute permissions, then execute it. Now create a script, exercise 17.sh, that has one parameter, that is the name of a file that contains your C program. Just the name, without the .c ending. The script must compile the C program, create an executable file with such a name, and then it must execute it. test the behavior of such a script with parameter myFile and with other parameters corresponding to other C programs. How can you easily create many C programs and many executable files? Execute the script and upload it on the course website if it is okay. Happy coding!